Hello and welcome to Immaculate Living right here in the Parklands estate. This beautiful suburb is oh so close to schools, shops, public transport and quick highway access. And this property, super elevated, 595 square metres, it's a one owner home, so it's just like new inside. Great living spaces, 3 built-in bedrooms, and wait till you see the outdoor area. If you're looking for perfect, this is the one. Call me, Facebook me, email me, virtual inspections, well we love those. But basically, any way you look at this one, you just have to look at it.